Hi, welcome to Kelo TV, where we teach and we guide how to create an app and also a game and also a website. So, if you're new here, consider subscribing. If you're not new, let's move to the video where I'm going to show you. So, this is the game where we'll be creating and also I will be showing you how to monetize as well. So, you can see this is how this game works. I'm playing the game for you to see. So with this, okay, so this is how to play this game. So first of all, you need to go to App Creator 24 and you click create. That is if you have an account. If you don't have, please, you need to create an account for this. So you write the name of the game. For me, I put the same where we're going to link the game. So I select the app icon. I can put any, but for you, you can't put any because you need to publish this in App Store, so you have to put the right things. Okay, so next we move on. Here doesn't matter, you can click continue because we have the time to create the game by ourselves. So here the same thing, you can click create an empty app. Here you can go to app manager, and here this is the URL of your website, your site, your app. But for now we have not built the game, so let's go ahead and build one. Here you go to section, and here you go to create section, and here you go to where it says game. You go here, and here it's asking for the game, and here you can see access to lead board. For me, I always say no, and here user login, no. So here you go select, and here you have many game templates where you can go by. You can select and you can view each of the game, but for me, I know the one we want to use. I will just go ahead straight to the game, but for you, you can have your choice by going and checking on each of the game which you want. Okay, so here I select this is the game I want, and this is the name. Okay, okay, no, not this one. You can go ahead, you can see stupid game. You can, yes, here you can see this one, and I save changes. Here you can change the color as well from here. So if because this is actually good, so that your game will not be the same as others. So here I change blue. So if I install this game, you're going to see the blue background and the blue header of the game. Okay, you save changes. After done, from here you can go to here where you're going to copy the here you're going to go to your hard map where you'll be able uh, to create the app where you go. Okay, let me click on add new game. That's, you need to create an account here before you can get access, and you need to wait for AdSense to approve your account as well. So once it's approved, you can do what I'm doing here. So you go to add new app. Okay, so here it's come up, so you select which your app is which is for which device. So for me it's Android. So here, have you published your app on any supported store? No, for now, because we're going to initialize the code from album to the app. So later you have the opportunity to come back to your setting of the app and you click yes only when it's published on the app store recommended by the AdMob. then you can come back and say yes. So by saying yes, AdMob is going to review and going to understand that yes, your app is live. So for me, no, and continue. And here I put the app name. Okay, here you click add app. So here you click done. So here you see it has been created successfully for us. Here you click on add 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 units, you click on, and here these are all the banner types of ad we have on the AdMob platform. You can see the banner, you can see all the settings, and if you go back here, okay, here this is where we go. Now you click create, and this one is banner, so you can name it whatsoever, but make sure you know the type of the art you're creating. So this one is banner, so it's good you specify so that you're going to know that this one is for the banner, this one is for this. So here I copy, this is the app ID. Here you go. First you need to start with the app ID, you save, say okay. So after you finish, then you go back to ads. Then here you can copy the okay, for the you copy the banner. Here you paste it, you go to the next one, you create. Here you click done, or you create you click on create another ad unit, is the same thing. Here we go with this as well. Here I put the same ad format, the same thing. You click on create. Here you copy this one. This one is the same thing, so don't copy this one again, always go with the same. Okay, so you click on create another one again. The next one, now we're going to go with uh rewarded art, so maybe the video type. I click create, and you click the same thing, you make the name the same thing, and here you click create, and here you copy the same thing, and you go back here, and you go to the rewarded video art is here, so you paste the same thing, and you published. After you published, you now link your AdMob art with your app. Now it's time for you to download your app. Once you download the APK file, now the next step is for you to publish your game on App Store. So if you're new and you don't know how to publish, please kindly check my videos where I show how to publish on App Store. So this is simple how to link your AdMob with your app on App Creator 24. I hope you like this video. If you have any question, please kindly drop it down below. I will be always ready to help you, to guide you in this journey. Thank you so much, and bye for now.